Okay, now let's take a look at an extension ladder. And I think really one of the first things you want to look at with an extension ladder is to take a look at the rope and take a look at it real close. If it looks like it's sort of frayed and rotted out, if it flakes apart like this one's doing, see all those pieces flaking off? That means it's rotting and it's probably really weak. And as you go down this rope, you see that a lot of it looks pretty ratty. And so we're going to replace this rope. You want to make sure you see how the rope is strung. Basically, it wraps around the bottom rung of the part that extends, and it goes in between the rungs, and it goes up around the pulley. There's a pulley at the other end. Then it comes down underneath the ladder, all the way back up around the bottom part of the ladder that stays on the ground, not the part that extends, but the part with the feet on it, and it comes back up and it ties off again. So before you cut it off, make sure you inspect it and make sure you understand how the new rope's supposed to go back on, and also, of course, you want to get the same size and type of rope that you're pulling off. So this is a yellow nylon, and it's a 3/8 inch, and so that's what we're replacing it with. So you can see Troy there kind of got a basic idea of how much length he needs. He's just going to cut off the excess rope. Okay, so what we like to do is go ahead and do that again real slow, Troy, so they can see and show that it's two different pieces. After you get your knot tied, what I like to do is fold the rope back over like Troy's doing and then tape it off. If you tape it off like this, you're going to keep it from getting unraveled and keep it from slipping. I don't know about you, but I don't trust the nylon as much. It seems like the knots get kind of slippery because that nylon is slick. So that's another reason why I personally like to put some tape around it. Now another thing too to remember is that although you do want the rope kind of snug, you don't want to over tighten it, because if the rope is really tight, it actually is hard to extend it. It's kind of a fine line. You don't want it necessarily loose neither. There you go, you can see there's enough play in the rope that it's got some looseness to it. I'm going to hand Troy the tape so he can tape it off again like we did the last one.